You want to make a video, but you don't know where to exactly start. Marketing videos and branding videos are like two sides of a coin. They both contribute to your business growth, but they do it in unique ways. Branding videos are all about crafting your brand story. They delve into your company's history, into its values, its culture. These videos create an emotional connection with your audience, making them feel like they're a part of your journey. While they might not have an immediate buy now message, they're laying the foundation for trust, credibility, and long-term loyalty. Now, on the flip side, marketing videos are your direct sales drivers. They're designed to grab attention. They highlight your products, its services. They spur action. These videos are like your persuasive tools, showcasing your company's benefits and features, and offering solutions for your customers' needs. They have a clear call to action such as buy now, or subscribe, or get in touch. Now, when it comes to impact, what marketing videos do is they offer measurable quick wins. You can track metrics like views, clicks, and conversions. They're excellent for generating immediate results and meeting short-term goals. Branding videos, though, work more on a deeper level. They might not give your company the instant sales, but they build a devoted community, a tribe around your brand. They're the reason your customers become advocates. They're the reason your employees become ambassadors. And they're the reason your brand becomes a household name. So in a nutshell, marketing videos are your action-oriented tools, while branding videos are your story-driven tools. They work hand in hand to create a balanced strategy that gives you both short-term results and long-term relationships with your clients and your customers. So whether you're aiming for immediate impact or enduring brand loyalty, we're here to help you craft the perfect video strategy. Read the 5-step method here. Then go ahead and reach out to us so we can chat about how we can tailor your videos to elevate your brand. We look forward to collaborating with you.